All right. Good morning, everybody. Thanks for joining. I'll get started shortly. Hope you all can hear me and see the screen that I'm showing. Welcome to the 60-minute webinar. This is about trading futures for lifetime of steady income. We are going to mainly show you a demo of our software Sliver Bullet Pro Trading for futures. Before I get started, statutory disclaimer that results vary from person to person. There is no guarantee in trading, so people take risk for their returns. So having said that, let's get started. This presentation, the 60-minute trader, is about Sliver Bullet Trading System, which could be path to your financial freedom if applied the right way. And I'm Rao K, Managing Director of Sliver Trades, a Chicago-based company. And I'm also the architect of Sliver Bullet Trading System. So today I'm going to mainly focus on the software. There are other parts to this program, like there is a education part, there is a funding part, but today I'm going to focus exclusively on the software. The education part, funding part, you can watch the previous videos to learn more about it. But the demo of the software, I exclusively use the previous day's data. So that's unique, that always unique from presentation to presentation. It's not, a recorded session or anything. It's just previous day's data I use to demonstrate the software every week. So I'm going to focus exclusively on the demo of the software. So here is the software. Before that, this is the chart, this NASDAQ futures chart. I have used special Renko bars for it. And the software, here is the software. I'll load the software. These are different ATM strategies, automated trade management settings, which basically tells how many contracts to use for trading. And each setting has its own, maximum loss and target for profit. So then you can set the loss parameters for the setting for the session. I'm going to use $2,500 as the loss parameter for the session, and profit target, I'm going to up it this week. Usually I keep it like $2,000. I'm going to up it to $3,000, and I'm going to run the software and see whether the software makes a profit. This is the this box in bottom below here is the timer. It shows yesterday's date, September 27th, and it is set at the market open, which is 8:30 a.m. And I have downloaded, and you're going to use yesterday's data to show you the demo of the software. And I usually like to use trading with this a particular ATM 2B. There are different ATMs you can set up. And this is basically the UI of the software, this colorful buttons. So ATM 1B can take trades with 1 contract, 2B with 2 contracts, 3B with 3 contracts. And these are automated long and short buttons. And the pink ones are the basically the strategy buttons. And this is the stop button. If trade goes against you, you stop it manually. even before the software stops it for you. And these are manual buy sell button. So you can not only let the software trade automatically, you can also manually take trades using these buttons. And there is a Heikinashi. It's not going to be relevant today because I'm using Renko chart. And then there is scale in button, which is very important button, which basically adds to the existing winning trades or adds to the losing trade to come out at break-even price. And then there is aggressive mode. So there are two modes, defensive and aggressive. So without further ado, I'll just start. Usually, the market is in the uptrend here, and market opened above your previous day's close. Market closed here yesterday, and it opened somewhere here. If you see this little color here, just opened. And I'm going to use the default strategy and just let the software take long and short trades on its own. And without intervention, and see if it reaches the target of $3,000 in profit. So I'm going to start the timer and increase the speed a little. I can control the speed of.
Order filled.
So here you go. First trade was taken, and here with two contracts, and it has two different targets, one for each contract, and two different stop losses, one for each contract. So we'll see if when it reaches these green lines, the position will close for profit. If it reaches the red line, it closes for a loss. So let's see if we reach a profit or a loss.
Order filled.
So here what happened was software added more positions because it took the trade. Let me make it nice and bigger. So the software took the trade here, but market went against it. So now, so what the software did was it added more position, so more trades, and so that it can come out for break even. And I believe it hit one stop loss as well. One stop it hit. Otherwise, it would have been total 6 contracts because it added two more trades. So 2 more trades means 2 contracts in each trade. So total should have been 6 trades, but I see only 5 here, number 5. It means one got closed very quickly without, in the blink of our eye. So that's why break even is a little higher than this level. This is the break even for the existing open position, but since we hit a loss, the break even has been set for a higher level. So let's see if we reach the break even level. I'm increasing the speed.
Stop filled.
So one more stop it hit, lost money there.
Order filled.
So it added 2 more positions because market retraced. And here,
Target filled.
so if you had noticed, here it made a loss of $800. So here it was showing about $800. Now market went back up, it added a position and closed for a profit. So all positions got closed. So here huge big chunk of profit it received. So it not only eliminated the $800 loss, but it's now in profit of $400. So first round of trading is over. It took 4 trades, won 3 trades, lost 1 trade, and total net income profit is $400. All that is in 3.5 minutes since the market opened. Market opened at 8:30, and it got it's now 8:33 and 37 seconds. So in 3.5 minutes, it made $441. So let's see. Let's continue.
Order filled. Order filled. Or target filled.
So this one virtually was a scratch trade. It came out for break even. Here it made a loss of $38 in the first trade, but in the second and third trade, it made $21 and $51. They are very close, so not very clearly visible. Still, it made like $32 in profit. So earlier the profit was 441, now it's 476. About 35-ish dollars in profit it made in this trade.
Order filled. Target filled.
So this was a short trade. This time it took short trade. So remember, we have both long and short on. So it will take trades in both the directions. So we are in our training, we discourage this kind of trading. We do not ask people to trade on both directions, because the goal of a trader is to know their direction and either trade in with the direction or take some strategic um, against the direction trades, but not take long and short trades blindly all the time. But here, since I need to show you the demo of the software, I'm keeping both long short buttons on.
Target filled.
So here, this was totally profitable trade, $436 with 2 contracts. So we stand at $913 of profit, and we have only spent 5 minutes and 40 seconds.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
So this is another profitable trade. So this time, 2 trades. So as I said, because I turned scale in button on, it adds to a winning trade. So $436 from the first trade and $436 from the second trade. So we stand at $1,786 now.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
All right. So this was one more, I would call it a scratch trade. It came out for break even. The software decides if it has to scale in once when because the price went against the current position, it tries to come out for break even. It won't wait um, in the hopes that the market will continue in its direction. That's because we are taking risk by adding more positions in a losing cause. We are taking a risk, so it tries to come out as quickly as possible. So that's what happened. The first trade, there was a loss of $148. Second trade was profitable. So we netted about $13, but I would consider that as a scratch trade. $1,300 is like a break-even trade. So this was a scratch trade.
Order
So
filled.
Now again,
Target filled.
it was a break even almost, but I would say more than it made about $100. Uh, uh, it took short trades when the market was kind of going up, so it didn't work out basically. So so still it made 100 odd dollars, which is not bad.
Order filled.
So
Stop filled.
so this is a choppy market. Choppy market. So we discourage trading in this kind of markets, because this is what happens. Two continuous, break-even trades. Market kind of went against the position as soon as the trade was taken. So
Order
again, we
filled.
are in a trouble position. So let's see. Since this is a demo, I want to show you how the software works and tries to keep you safe, even if the price goes against your position.
Target filled.
So this is another 3 in a row. Break-even trades 3 in a row. Yeah, ideally, we should change the strategy. We should use a different strategy, contrarian or a churn scalper or churn trades. There are three trades, three strategies for you know for choppy markets. But I am just keeping the original strategy, which is more of a trend trade strategy, and want to show you the demo of the software. So it looks like we incurred some loss here, close to $300 in loss. Uh, so so I think we reached $2,000, but now we are back to $1,700.
Order filled.
So again, this long trade was taken at the range high, which is not good because I'm using wrong strategy, and deliberately I'm using wrong strategy. And just to show you if the software can come out of a bad
Target filled.
position. But one contract got closed for profit, one is still open. I can press stop button and come out of
Order
this trade,
filled. Target
but
filled.
I'm letting the software do its thing.
Order filled.
It continues to add because now it has picked up uptrend a little bit. So let's hoping that it's not will not see huge retracement,
Stop
but you will
filled.
never know. We see retracement and um, we got stopped out. One position got stopped out. So I'm going to increase the speed. Now market is kind of slow.
Order filled.
So
Order filled.
those were big losses here.
Order filled.
Market suddenly moved back.
Target
It
filled.
moved against me.
Target filled. Target filled.
So see what happened. If you had paid attention here, $1,700 profit became kind of $600. I think maybe less than that. This came down, and then market reversed, and we became profitable. So we are back to that $2,000 profit where we were. But if you see, we traded in this choppy, landmine-esque market. In this choppy market tried to, it showed that it's going up, but suddenly it reversed. It was a bad market to use the strategy that I was using, which is default strategy, and that's a trending market strategy. But anyway, I wanted to show you that strategy, so I'm going to continue showing it.
Order. Target filled.
So 2,500 profitable trades. Its market is swinging back and forth.
Order
Gosh.
filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So here you go. So we reached $3,000 in profit, which we had set out for. And now trading button disabled. Um, and here it says total profit reached. So the software is not going to take any more trades, even if we let it run on its own. It won't take because profit target has been reached, and we achieved our target. And how long did it take? It took us 37 minutes, 36 seconds. In 37 minutes, 37 and a half minutes, we um, made $3,000 using Sliver Bullet Pro software. So this is the power of the software. Imagine you go through the education and all the the market structure sessions, classes you attend. You do not have to blindly take trades. Then you will apply the knowledge and know the direction you need to take, the strategies that you need to apply. The goal will be to keep you safe. You need to stay safe more than making profit, which the software tries to do as often as it can, but sometimes it can lose as well. So though we have set up a stop loss at $2,500, you should not be losing $2,500 any day. But that's possible only by going through our education and learning the market structure and how to trade the right way in the market. So we should never trade like this blindly. Now, so this is something I wanted to show you and see how this works. So maybe I will do one more trade. One more. I will repeat it. Can it be repeated? That should be the question here, to see if this can be repeated. So let me show you another strategy here, wherein I will apply a contrarian strategy, a different strategy, which is ideal for the market like this. So you see here, the market closed here yesterday. This is the separator line. Market closed here. It opened here on the top. I was hoping the market to continue going up, but it did not go any further. It started to make a range. It started to trade in a range. So what it means is the trend that it acquired yesterday around noon, yesterday meaning Thursday around noon, market went up. Here it started to trade in a range. Market tried to go up. It opened up, go up, but it could not go up any further. It got stuck in that range. It got stuck in that range, and so that's why I got so many losing trades. Like it took 27 trades. If you see here, 27 trades, 18 were won, but 9 were lost too. So about winning probability has been 67%. Even with that 67%, we made $3,000, which is good. And I used only 2 contracts to trade. And in 37 minutes, we made this much of profit. Now, let me become more greedy. This is not always possible, this amount, but let me test the software to its limits. There is no limit to it as such, but I want to see if, since I know this was a sideways market, I want to be greedy and see that in hindsight, if I apply the sideways market strategy, would it make a better profit than what it made? 3,000 is a very good profit any day, in that too in 37 minutes. But let me become more greedy now that I know that market has been sideways in a range. I will apply the right strategy, which is more suitable for this kind of trading. So um, I'm going to enable the software again. And if you see, I have set the profit target of $5,000, and max loss, I kept it at the same $2,500. Now, let me take the trade here. Same contracts I would keep. I will keep both long and short. And this time I will use contrarian strategy. Well, before that, I must set the timer to um, market open. So here is the market open. Again, set at 8:30. So market opened here. I'll use the same ATM, which means two contracts. And then I'm going to use contrarian because now that I have played the data once, I know this wasn't a trending market, which I was thinking initially because there was a nice trend and market opened above its previous day's close. So I was thinking that it's going to be trending market, but it turned out to be a range bound market. But since I know it's a range bound market, I'm going to use contrarian, and I use scale in and aggressive, which I normally do. And I will let the software run again. So wow, this the first trade itself was profitable, $436. So here, let me make everything bigger. So first trade was profitable. It took contrarian short trade and made $436 within seconds. Within seconds. So in 20 seconds or less, it made that profit.
Order filled.
So
Target filled.
again, this was profitable
Order
too.
filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So it made $1,000. It is making money faster than the previous strategy, as expected. So $1,000 in less than 3 minutes. It's 8:32:53 Central.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
So it's close to $2,000 in 6 minutes. Exact 6 minutes, $2,000.
Order filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled.
Our target is
Target
$5,000, which is steep. But let's see if we achieve that target.
Order filled. Target filled.
So here we are hitting a swing. So it's
Order
a
filled.
lot of break-even, couple of break-even trades happened.
Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
So it made $3,300 in 13 minutes, 13 and a half minutes. If you remember, previous strategy made us $3,000 in about 37 minutes. But since market has been sideways, contrarian strategy worked better, and it made us $3,000 and more than that in half the time it took with the previous strategy. Only in 13 minutes, it made $3,000.
Order filled.
Our goal is $5,000.
Order
Um,
filled. Stop filled.
uh,
Target filled.
First time we hit a stop. No, we must have hit the stop before. But this was a lost trade. $200 we lost here.
Order
We're
filled.
back to $3,100.
Target filled. Target filled.
So $3,600 now.
Target filled. Target filled.
Crossed $4,000. At this moment, I should stop. I should not try to take any more trades because this is awesome. $4,000.
Target filled. Order. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
That's $4,600. One more good trade, and we'll
Order
hit
filled.
our target.
Target filled. Target filled.
All right. So it achieved $5,000 in profit. Trade buttons disabled. A total profit reached. That's the message here we see. And that's about it. So how long did it take? 25 minutes. In 25 minutes, it made $5,000. Guys, this is the power of Sliver Bullet Pro software. I would welcome you all to join our program. The program, our program costs a one-time payment of $6,000, but we have huge discount going on. You can take advantage of that, and we'll take you through all the education, how to read the market structure, and even will provide you the funding you need to trade so that you don't risk your own capital. And we'll show you the business model, everything once you join. Here I'm going to directly take you to the offer. The retail price is $6,000 for Sliver Bullet Pro, which gives you everything that you need, all the features of the software. And then since we are running a promotion, 30% off, you will get the software for $4,200. You don't pay the full price, and you get access to Sliver Trades Academy. You will receive, you'll attend weekly group meeting training sessions, 4 weekly group training sessions, and followed by 4 weeks of support. Beyond that, we'll be there to support you. It's just that other people get priority in getting the support, the newer members. And we have an additional special offer by tomorrow till tomorrow. If you purchase this program by tomorrow, we'll give you a free evaluation account, the first month subscription of the evaluation account, and you can trade using that. You do not have to spend a significant amount of capital. You will receive a free Bitcoin trading strategy when we launch it. It's not ready yet. That itself is a $1,500 value. To purchase, you visit slivertrades.com and select the software Sliver Bullet Pro. and apply the discount code launch30 at the checkout. But those who are attending the webinar today, we'll give you additional discount. That's 40% off. So only for $3,600, you will get the entire program, which will help you achieve a steady income. That's the goal. And how long did you spend? You did not use in the first strategy. You spent 37 minutes. The second one only 25 minutes. So as the name of the webinar suggests, it's a 60-minute trader. Our goal is to make decent amount of money in first 60 minutes just by spending 60 minutes. And those who have day job cannot trade in the morning. They can trade in the evening. Futures market is open 23 hours a day. So in the evening hours, the profit, this kind of stellar profit cannot be achieved. But again, that could still be significant profit, especially if you trade multiple accounts, and which we will show you how to do it. So those who want this promo, webinar day special, you have to contact us, email us, or call us, or message us. Here is our contact details, and we will send you the special link and special code for that $3,600 price. So again, contact us 331-255-3656, and email is info@slivertrades.com. So with that, I am signing off. Thank you very much for joining the webinar today. You all have a great rest of the weekend. Bye now.